Hello, I'm AI Sam. This is for seniors, a lesson overview of CapCut. Plus, enjoy our pet friends. Looking to teach everybody? Take a look, we are going to learn CapCut Basics. Learning CapCut Basics. By the end, you'll see how easy video editing can be. Why CapCut is useful. Take a look at this. It's showing a video timeline. This is great. CapCut helps you trim clips, add text, music, and create fun videos without needing complicated software. I want to give you CapCut Features Overview. Take a look, see icons. Cut, text, music, export. You can cut clips, add captions, background music, and export to share. Simple and fast for beginners. Fun learning with pets. Oh my extra friend. Everyone wants to help too. Yes, this is going to be fun and silly. First step. Importing clips shows tablet screen labeled Import. This is what you will need to do. Step 1. Import your video clips. Click Import, and they appear on your timeline ready to edit. I'll go over again.
Ah, I see. Great pictures of you, Misty. I can't wait to put the story together with CapCut.
I can pick which video to start with. That's simple. Take a look at the timeline. Next, we will get into splitting clips. Take a look at the points at a vertical cut line on the timeline. This is how we set it all up on the videos. This is what you will need to do. Place the cursor, click, split. This separates sections to trim or move. See, example, close-up of split line.
So if I don't like the start, I can just cut it out. Easy. I'm starting to get this. It's great that I can understand how to use CapCut software.
Correct. Split clips let you trim, reorder, or remove mistakes. Always keep your timeline tidy. Adding text, captions this way you can always find what you want to edit. It's helpful to click text to add captions or titles. You can also adjust font, color, size. It's fun and informative. This gives you some text examples.
Welcome to my video. To clip. I can make it colorful too. Look, my message stands out.
Here is a reinforcement text lesson. Text highlights key moments. Take a look at these titles, captions, or subtitles. Your viewers notice them immediately. It's important. Adding music. Kittens chase notes. Exciting fun times you can create. Dialogue. AI Sam. Music adds emotion. Choose your clip. Tap music. Pick from library. Adjust volume. Scene 15. Music example storyboard. Short upbeat music plays. Grandpa claps.
Oh, I can make funny parts funnier. This is great. It's great being able to practice and reinforce the music lesson.
Music emphasizes tone. Happy, funny, exciting, it sets the scene for your video. Exporting clip storyboard. AI Sam points to export icon. Seniors lean forward. Export finishes your project.
This is exciting. I choose a quality video and format it. Then I can save or share with friends and family. Here is my export example. Export complete. I did it. My first video is ready to share. I think it's important to reinforce exporting concepts.
Always review, then export. That's your final step for a polished video. As mentioned, so far, import, split, add text, music, export. Simple steps, clear results.
It's important to go through these steps, and you then can create easily. Import, split, text, music, export. I got it. Yes, now I feel confident to make a video. It's pretty easy, and anyone can do it.
Seems the pets want to edit too. Dusty, isn't that Sparkle's toy? Watch them cause chaos. Templates. Take a look at this screen. It shows pre-made layouts. Dialogue AI Sam. Templates save time. Pick one, drop clips in, and watch magic happen. Scene 24. Template example storyboard. AI Sam drags clips into template slots.
Oh, it's almost done. Looks professional already. I really enjoyed creating that.
I want to reinforce templates. Take look before, after clip. As I mentioned, templates are shortcuts. They let you focus on creativity, not complex steps.
Storyboard. Cat jumps in front of tablet. Dog chases cat around room. Seniors giggle. Well, that's one way to make a video unpredictable.
Combining clips strategy. Take a look at this. I'm dragging clips together. See, the screen shows merged. Combine clips to make longer stories.
It's simple and keeps your narrative smooth. Order example. I can tell a story my way.
Perfect. I want to reinforce order. Misty, what are you doing, silly? As I mentioned, order matters. Clips in wrong order confuse viewers. Keep it logical. This is how we are going to be adding transitions. Look for the icon. The animated arrows appear. Transitions make your video flow.
Fade, slide, or pop between clips.
Now it looks smooth, not jumpy. I like this. It's so easy to see and really enjoy watching.
Important with transition storyboard. Take a look on the timeline. Misty, you are so funny, leaping over chair.
Use transitions sparingly. They highlight moments without distracting. Adding stickers and emojis. Stickers add humor or emphasis.
This is great. I picked a small, playful icons. See this sticker example? My dog Dusty sticker appears chasing cat sticker on video preview. This is hilarious.
This adds personality to my video. Use stickers to complement your message, not overwhelm.
This is important. Using filters. Need to clip color changes. Filters adjust mood.
It's important to add filters in steps to creating great videos. Here is a filter example. I'm adjusting the slider. I like the warmer look. Makes video feel cozy.
Hey, take a look at my tablet. Filters enhance your story visually. Choose carefully. I brought in additional friend to show you how the software works. It's important to adding voiceovers. It's easy. Check out the MIC icon.
How do you like this voice? I see that voiceovers let you tell the story. Record short lines for clarity. Hello, friends. I can add my voice. Makes it personal and fun.
Now, take a look at the timeline. Keep it short, clear, and engaging. This helps viewers follow along. Templates combining clips, transitions, stickers, filters, and voiceovers. Well done, everyone. We will recap so everyone can catch up on great CapCut ways to do editing.
This is how you do it. Checking my notes. Templates, transitions, stickers, voiceovers. I remember it all.
Yes. I feel ready to try this in my videos.
Seems pets want to edit too. Remember to stay calm. Here are some tips for export quality. Take a look. Export. Options pop up. Resolution. File size. Choose quality wisely.
This is great. High resolution looks crisp but takes more space. My first polished video done.
Reinforce exporting tips. Always check resolution and save location before exporting. Reaching out to those watching, I'm asking for comments. What did you enjoy most? Please leave them below. Please click like and subscribe below. Let's share our learning. Your likes and subscribes really help this channel. Thank you.
If you learned something or would like to know more tips, please leave a comment. Thank you. I can try these steps at home. So simple. I feel confident.
Editing can be serious, but fun too. Watch the chaos. Wow, do you see it? The question marks above our heads. Would you like more advanced CapCut tricks? Let me know in comments.
I'm looking to hear an overview summary of entire lesson.
Today we covered import, split, text, music, export, templates, transitions, stickers, filters, voiceovers.
We really learned so much today. Yes, I feel ready to make my own video.
YouTube AI content disclosure storyboard. AI Sam points at text on whiteboard. This video includes content created, assisted, or enhanced using AI tools, including AI-generated images, voice, or editing. AI content disclosure. This video includes content that was created, assisted, or enhanced using artificial intelligence tools, including AI-generated images, voice, or editing. Educational video.